Malapot na.
Hello guys, this is Wilma's Kitchen. Today, gagawa po tayo ng biko. It's a Visayan version guys. 4 cups of malakit rice. I'm using purple rice here. And 4 cups of water. Isaing lang po natin siya until makook. Maluto na yung malagkit rice natin, gagawa na tayo ng coconut and sugar mixture. We will use 2 cans of coconut milk. It's like a 285 ml and with 2 cups of sugar. Tapos, i-mix lang natin ng mabuti yung ating mixture na sugar and coconut milk. Guys, medyo mahaba itong pag-mix natin. Kailangan mong ng lakas dito. Nag-add din pala ako ng vanilla dito guys para mayroong kunting flavor. Ganito ang texture guys ng ating sugar and coconut mixture. And then, mag-set aside tayo ng kunti para sa ating toppings. Yan, ready na siya guys. I-add na natin yung ating rice.
Bikong tapul. Tapul sa Bisaya.
Then, i-add natin ang ating purple rice. Tapos, i-mix mo siya ng mabuti guys. Mix well, halo. Tapos, hanggang sa lumabas yung kanyang natural oil.
Wow.
We will leave like 2 to 3 minutes guys. Ayan, luto na po siya guys. So, in a tray, i-flatten natin yung ating rice while it is hot. Kasi para mahirap na yung pagmatigas na yung rice guys. So, dapat hot pa lang. Tapos, i-add natin yung ating tinabi kanina na mixture. Look guys, looks so yummy. Last but not the least guys, gagawa tayo ng pang-topping. So I have here coconut string. I-add ko lang yung tinabi natin kanina na mixture. I-mekos-mekos ko lang yan dito until ma-color brown na siya. So now see, it's ready. Ayan, itatoppings na natin guys. See guys, looks very yummy. Paki-ready na lang ng kape nyo guys kasi talagang masarap yan sa kape. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen.